Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you some impressions on what I think about the Dell 5544C props I got right here. These came out, this is a 5.5 inch prop. They came out not too long ago. I got them here on my Horus drones, Freestyle prototype frame that I've been flying. Of course, I'll be rocking my China Hobby Line batteries. So let's see how these things fly, and I'll give you some impressions after we're done. Well, damn, that got ugly real quick. Broke a blade, and wow, fun times. Love flying during the winter. Love it. Well, I just got done flying around 6 to 7 packs. Yeah, it was 7 packs on the Dell 5544C props. So far, I mean, I like them, but I don't think they're going to replace the 5040Cs that I'm flying currently. I like those a lot more. You do get a bit more thrust. It's noticeable. I didn't have to retune the quad. What you're going to see in the footage that I show, I got 2 different OSDs, and the reason for that is I forgot I didn't have my KISS rig coated. So this guy went down in the snow, which I'll show you that crash. It was kind of funny. And then this one here, which is on the thumbnail, this one here got fully compacted with snow, so she's done. But overall, it's a great prop. I enjoy it. I'll probably buy some more just to play around with. Overall, I probably have like, I don't know, 15 packs, maybe, no, about 20 packs on them. Because I flew them before, I wanted to do another review, and I ran out of time, and the weather just sucked. I mean, we're here in Buffalo, and the snow is just horrendous. I mean, you'll see what I was dealing with in the video, which you already saw. But, yeah, I mean, I'll definitely buy more. I'm curious to see what the amp draw is, because I didn't look at that yet. You'll see that in the OSD. The KISS one has a little more information in it, because it shows each ESC. And then I had to switch over to the Betaflight quad, which I don't think that is as accurate as the KISS one, because the KISS one, based on other testing that I did previously with KISS and these ESCs, these Spedix GS35 amp, they were pretty much dead accurate right out of the gate with no adjustment, and I didn't have to adjust those. And I did check that on a power analyzer in the past, so I know that that number is very accurate within a couple amps here and there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the review. Go pick yourself up some, and if you're looking for another Freestyle prop on a 5-inch, take a look at the 5040Cs, because those are great props. I love those. Have a great one, guys. Thanks. Bye.